Thunderstorms by
Evan,
Sarah.
Devin, Jillian.
A thunderstorm makes a sound. It booms in the booming. It is sound of thunder in the sky. Thunderstorms are dangerous, and a storm is just lightning. Thunderstorms.
Thunderstorms are dangerous because lightning can strike trees and cause fires. If you see a thunderstorm, go in your house and stay away from metal. Stay away from the telephone and the TV. They could carry lightning in your house. Stay away from big metal things too.
If you are swimming, get out of the water. If you are outside, go inside. If you are inside, a storm is close. Stay away from the telephone and the TV.